Hi, Scott Dolan here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a brand new Harris 230 Solstice. So Solstice, always one of our best selling luxury pontoon boats. This is the 23 foot, so wraparound seating in the front, mouse hole cutouts with 3 cup holders on each side, as well as the flip down armrest. Really good attention to detail. There's also a double USB port. One's a USB, one's a USB-C. Anywhere you see the mouse hole cutouts on these. This one was also ordered with a full lighting package. So this one has LED lights in the speakers, cup holders, seat bases, underwater and under the rub rail all the way around, plus up in the tower. So speaking of tower, this one has a fully functional tower, shade all the way to the back of the boat, additional bow shade also. Because this is ordered with Tech Package 2, it's going to get you twin Simrads. It's going to get you the larger diameter speakers inside the boat. It's also going to get you an extra subwoofer, bringing it up to 2 instead of just 1, and also an extra amplifier to push the extra sub. So 4 amplifiers on board this boat. One for the tower cans, one for the internal speakers, and one for each sub. So really laid out nicely. Elevated helm, which I'm a fan of, allows you to sit up a little higher if you got a tall person sitting in front of you. Makes it a little bit easier to see around them. And this was also ordered with the SLDH. So SLDH, single lounge, dual helm is what it stands for. Secondary captain seat. This boat's also available with a L bench here. So if you want to have everything else be exactly like this, but just have the L bench instead, we've got that as well. Back here on the business end, large extended deck back on the back. Boat's going to come with a nice AO cooler, flip over swim seat, and the all new lily pad ladder. This one's equipped with a 300 horsepower V8 flip-flop backrest that will also fold down flat to make a full sun pad with a tip-up chase on the back. So one of my favorite boats that we carry. So if you got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.